अजय जी सही है yeah. So student, today we will learn about what we have learned yesterday.
प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस का
Present continuous. We have learned about the passive voice of present continuous tense. Now today we will learn about past continuous tense passive voice. Past continuous tense passive voice. So the rules of the passive voice in the past continuous, we have the helping verb. For the singular we will use was, being, and for the plural we will use were, being. And as you know that in passive voice we will always use the third form of the verb after the helping verb. Third form of the verb. So as we use by after the third form, then we will use pronouns. If we will have subjective pronoun, we will convert it into objective pronoun. Okay. So first of all we use an active voice, then we will convert it into passive voice. He was killing the snack. He was killing the snack. So as you know, in active voice there is subject, then after helping verb, then after main verb, then after the object. Here in past continuous tense, there will be always in the continuous tense, in the active voice there will be the fourth form of the verb. So he was killing the snack. So here how it will be converted? The snack before all we have to see that what is the object. The object will come first in the passive voice. Okay, the object is the snack. The snack was being killed by him. So it's a pronoun, its subjective pronoun will be converted into objective. Okay, the snack was being killed by him. So you were eating many apples. So converting it into passive voice,
many apples were being eaten by you.
Many apples. Many apples
Were being.
were being. Why we are using were?
Sir,
Because
it is a
the object
object
is plural. So many apples were being
eaten by you.
eaten. The third form of the verb by
you.
you will remain the same. Okay. In always in subjective pronoun, the you will remain same in objective. Okay. Was not making tea.
What? She was not making
She was not making tea.
tea. Or not?
Tea was
Not.
not being
Not.
being made by
Made by her.
made by
Her. Made by her.
her.
Okay.
So were the boys playing football? How it will be converted into passive voice?
Was the football?
We have to see what is the object. Okay, object is football.
Was the football? Sir, no, it is a question negative. Oh, interrogative. Was the football?
Was the
Football
football
being played by
okay, remove the was football being
played by
played
boys?
Played, sir.
By boys.
By the way.
By the boys.
okay.
Car was
Hitting
two men were
on the road. The car was hitting two men on the road.
on the road. Two men were being hit by a car.
So first of all, we have to see what is our object. The object will be ended. The object ends here. After the main verb, the object come. So it is additional, okay, of the object. So two men will come first. Two men. So what will be the helping verb?
Two men say working.
Were, because it is two. Two men were being. Two men were being.
Sir, heading back.
What is the third form of hit?
Say.
It's hit. Hit. Remains same. Were being hit by
A car on the road.
a car on the road.
Wow.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Finish it.